Hello students, my name is Siri and today's video I am going to teach you about the most fundamental elements of grammar. In this video you are going to learn what is a sentence, what are the parts of the sentence, what is subject and what is predicate. So let's get started. Before we know what is a part of the sentence, let's know what is a sentence. What is a sentence? Sentence is nothing but sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. It has more than one word. It has a subject and a predicate. It makes a complete sense. Now let us take an example. Joe is a good boy. Does it make a sense? Absolutely yes. Then it makes a sentence. It is meaningful. Okay guys, I think now you know what is a sentence. Sentence is nothing but it's a group of words which gives you a complete sense. Now let's talk about the parts of sentence. Basically we have two parts of sentence. One is subject, the other one is predicate. Let's begin with the subject. What is a subject? A subject is a part of sentence that contains a person or a thing performing the action or verb in a sentence. Now let us take an example. The bird flew. Does a sentence has action verb? What is that? The action verb is flew. Who does the action? The bird. So here the bird is subject, flew is action verb. Here, how do you find the subject? If you ask who or what to the verb, you get the subject. Now let us take another example. The cat is chasing the mouse. Now, what is the action verb in this sentence? Is chasing is the action verb. Who is doing it? The cat. So the cat is the subject. So this is how you have to find the subject in a sentence. Now let's talk about predicate. What is predicate? Predicate refers to the part that tells about the subject. It tells what the subject is doing. And it is always a verb that includes is, am, are, has, have, had and was. Now let us take an example. We saw the cat outside. The question is, if you can ask yourself, what did we do? Saw the cat outside. So saw the cat outside is predicate. Notice that the predicate includes the verb in the sentence saw and all the rest of the words that describes what we saw. Here is another example that I can make you understand. My brother throws the ball. What did my brother do? Throws the ball. Here, throws the ball is predicate. So I think guys you understood what is predicate. Predicate is that part which tells about the subject. It tells what the subject is doing. So it not only includes the verb, it includes the other parts of the sentences. Actually the rest of the words including with the verb is predicate other than the subject. Okay guys, I think you understood what is subject and what is predicate. Hope you enjoyed the lesson, learned something new, and in the next video I am going to teach you the types of subject and types of predicate. If you like this, press the like button and subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends and family. And keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next class.